Hi, and welcome to christinescrafts.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 5-pointed paper star, a nice origami project. Okay, now you need to start with a pentagon of paper. If you want to know how to get a pentagon, scroll down and you'll find a link to another video of mine that shows you how to make a pentagon. So once you have a pentagon, you're going to fold it in half. And you're going to turn it, you're going to fold it in half again. So you're going to repeat this for each of the points of the pentagon. Just keep working your way around and make sure you get a nice, accurate fold up the middle. Okay, turn and go again. So you've got to fold up the centre whichever way you turn it, and they're all the same way, so they all fold up. Once you've completed that, turn your pentagon so a flat side's to you and the point's away. Fold up that flat bottom so that it just reaches the folds that go out to those 2 points, one at either side. You can see what I mean? Accuracy is everything. Open it up, turn it round, do it to the next flat side. Okay, making sure it's accurate, making sure you form a good fold. With all origami, it's about having a nice, crisp, accurate fold. Go again, make sure it's accurate, nice fold. Turn again, a nice, accurate fold. Last one. And then when you open it up, you'll be able to tell that you've done them all. But if you redo one, it doesn't matter. It'll just be obvious because it'll go easily. So now we're going to get it back how we had it to start with. We're going to fold up one side, and then to the right of it, we're going to fold up that side. All the while, we're making sure we keep the point out. So you can see how it's lying flat there, but you can also see it's loose. And we're done. Turn it, fold in the left hand side, fold in the bottom, making sure the point comes out. Now you're going to see that this is very fiddly, and the best advice I can give you is to poke your fingers in and make sure you get the right bit. You'll see here, oh, that's not worked. Let's poke it again, get a hold of that point and pull it to make sure it comes out. That's better. Let's go again, and you're repeating this until you've done it for every single point, because they're going to form the points of your star. So take your time, get them accurate. Okay, fold it up from the bottom, pull that point out. You'll notice I often poke my finger inside just to make it go the way I want it to. So now they're all done, nip each one of those points so that it starts to fold up. I'm going to do all of them at the same time. You'll see it's starting to fold up to form our star. And now you need to get them all to nip together and to press down so that they go over each other in a clockwise direction. You'll see what I mean. It's a little bit tricky, but once it goes, it'll just drop and go brilliantly. Now you'll see one of my points has just gone a little bit awry, so I'm just going to straighten that up. And that's it, you form the back of your star. Nice and tidy. So turn it over and let's form the front of this star. You're going to take each edge and fold it to the centre. So that point will just touch the centre. And then you go out down the point of your star and make sure you keep a nice tidy point. If you're not happy with it, just have another little go, a little tweak to make sure it stays pointed. Open it up, go again with the next one. And you'll see that you're just going to work your way around doing this. It's the same sort of idea. You're going to do each one, and after you've done each one, you open it up before you do the next one. Keep working your way around. Make sure those points stay nice and pointed. And then once you've done them all, we're going to refold them all at the same time. So fold one, turn, fold the next one in. Turn, fold the next one in. All overlapping nicely, hold each other in place. Turn, fold the next one in. Now when you get to the last one, it's going to be a little bit tricky because you're going to have to fold it inside the other point. So just fold it, but keep it inside that other point. And that's what's going to hold it in place. And there you have it, a beautiful 5-pointed star for whatever crafts you want to use it for. I've made quite a few of these, and you can do lots of different things with them. Hang them, glue them to things, whatever. Here are a few that I've made out of different papers. So the first one I'm going to show you has got two different patterns. So there was a different pattern on the other side, so the back looks a bit different. This one had only a white back, but as you can see, it doesn't matter if your paper's only coloured on one side. I also made one out of a book page to go on my folded book Christmas tree. And these three, I suspect they're going to go together to form a garland. So, hope you enjoy making your 5-pointed star. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in making a folded book Christmas tree, please have a click on the video and watch that one. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you go, and I hope I see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.